Chapter 10. Is it garbage? Your garbage bin. How are water bottles, shampoo bottles, toothbrushes, paper plates, plastic cups, candy wrappers, notebooks, clothes, sharpeners, toys and plastic bags similar? They are all items you use and discard. What do you think happens to the things that you throw away? In most of the cities, the garbage that people produce is collected and taken to a landfill. A landfill is an area of land where waste is supposed to be buried, but as a lot of waste is generated every day, it only gets piled up in a landfill. One of the biggest landfills in Delhi is located at Ghajipur. It has been noted that Ghajipur landfill is almost as high as the Qutub Minar. This monument is unique because it is built unintentionally by common men and not by a king or a ruler. In places where there is no public waste management, people either leave their waste on roadsides or burn it. Both of these result in severe land and air pollution. Most of the things you throw away eventually break down and mix with soil. This process is called decomposition. The problem is that different things decompose differently. Food items and parts of plants decompose very quickly while paper and cloth take a little longer. Things made of plastic take hundreds of years to decompose. So, when we dump some food waste and a plastic bag together in a landfill, the whole thing takes longer to mix with soil. What you can do is segregate your waste according to how fast they mix with soil. Separate your food waste from the other things you throw away so that when your food waste reaches a landfill, it will mix with soil soon enough. Then take a closer look at the other things you want to throw. Are they really not useful anymore? A fun way to make a difference is to upcycle. This refers to reusing a discarded item to create something completely new and increase its usefulness. To upcycle something, we think of its best and worst qualities. Glass bottles are heavy and look beautiful when light passes through them, but they break easily. Plastic bottles are known to be lightweight and fairly durable, but they may not always be sturdy. Then we turn it into something that uses the original item's strength but is not affected by its weakness. Let's look at a few examples. Denim is a highly durable material. If you grow out of your jeans, would you throw them away? This bag used to be a pair of jeans. Tires are made from rubber. Rubber is a resilient and yielding material. So, what can you make from old tires? Outdoor seating could be one idea. An empty plastic bottle would float on water. So why not rope a bunch of them together and make a raft? Your shoes hold their shape even after you've outgrown them. Why don't you plant something in them? Do you think it is important to keep our surroundings clean? What are the disadvantages of living on land that is polluted? What are the side effects of breathing in polluted air? The Temple of a Million Bottles. In 1984, in the Siskiyat province of Thailand, some monks were upset, used and discarded bottles were piling up in their neighborhood. They had to do something about it. So, they made a plan and started collecting the bottles. They collected over 1 million glass bottles and built a temple like no other, an eco-friendly temple. In 2 years, the temple was completed. Green, brown and white bottles used in the construction were set into a concrete base as we would set bricks. The caps of the bottles were also used to make mosaic patterns on the walls. All the glass makes the temple glitter like a gem under the sun. Do I create a lot of waste? Studies have shown that an average Indian produces around 0.6 kilograms of waste every day. Only a small part of what is thrown away is food waste. For 2 weeks, list the items you discard and estimate how much they weigh. Find out where they go. Which item do you throw away the most other than food? Can that item be put to a different use?